Capital One is stepping into a bold new era after acquiring Discover for 35 billion. With its own card network now under control, just like Amex, Capital One could reshape the competitive landscape of credit cards and banking. From targeting premium customers to earning billions in new interchangeable fees, this move now signals its ambition to challenge giants like American Express and Chase. What's next for the credit card wars? In this video, we wanted to share with you as to how Capital One's 35 billion Discover deal is signaling a bid to rival Amex and Chase. Capital One has entered into a transformative phase following its $35 billion acquisition of Discover Financial Services. The deal not only boasts its scale, but also, more importantly, gives its control over the Discover payment network. This move aligns Capital One more closely with vertically integrated players like American Express, who both issue cards and operate their own networks. There are strategic advantages to this. First and foremost, there is network ownership. Now, owning the Discover Cards network, Capital One can earn more from debit transactions, sidestepping the federal caps on interchange fees that apply to large banks using third party networks. This brings us to the estimated upside. Now, JP Morgan analysts project up to 1 billion in incremental interchange revenue if Capital One shifts its debit volume to Discover's network. This could be reinvested into customer rewards or dropped to the bottom line altogether. And lastly, when we are talking about strategic advantages, we have to mention the premium market push. Capital One has steadily climbed upmarket with products like VentureX Card and premium perks like airport lounges, travel portals, and concierge services. A 2025 Bank of America survey shows that 43% of the respondents now view Capital One as a premium brand, nearly catching to Chase at 50%. And this brings us to market position. Capital One trades at 12x forward earnings, higher than the traditional card lenders, but still below Amex, which trades at 20x earnings, and the network giants like Visa and MasterCard. The Discover network still trails the global acceptance, a key obstacle if Capital One wants to match Amex international prestige. So, what can we say for the strategic outlook for Capital One? Capital One is now positioned to offer differentiated blend of high-value rewards, lower fees, and a more inclusive premium experience, potentially carving out a mass market Amex.